Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering the board and connecting it to your classroom network. Sign in immediately with your school account so permissions are ready. Once done, calibrate touch input and run any pending firmware updates. This prevents lag during class. Next, open the interactive whiteboard app and load a blank page. You want the board responsive and familiar before adding content. Make sure to check audio levels and stylus battery so nothing interrupts the next steps. You now load your lesson materials and arrange them for teaching. Import slides or drag files directly into the board app to avoid switching devices mid-lesson. While presenting, use the pen and shape tools to annotate. Organize annotations on separate layers so you can hide or reveal them. Once done with annotation, enable split screen to show questions and content simultaneously, and make sure device casting is active so students can mirror screens for live demos or student contributions. Finish by saving your annotated lesson to cloud storage or a USB drive and export a PDF for quick distribution. This preserves student work and lets you reuse notes. Then generate a share link or QR code so students can access materials instantly. Set permissions for view or edit as needed. If something goes wrong, reboot the board first, recalibrate touch, check cables and network, and update drivers. This single troubleshooting sequence fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.